Hello. Here's an easy way to count significant digits so you will know how many significant digits you should include in your answer. Hopefully you recognize these land masses. We have North and South America there. And what ocean would you say is over here? That would be the Atlantic Ocean, correct? The Atlantic Ocean. And over here on the left would be the Pacific Ocean with a P for Pacific. Well, A and P can also represent other words, such as absent or present. As in this number, is the decimal point present or absent? The decimal point here is present. Therefore, we're going to start on the left, just like the Pacific Ocean is to the left of North and South America when we look at it from above. And we are going to start counting at the left. We're going to count this 5 first, and we're going to go all the way to the right until we're done. So since the decimal point is present, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant digits. For the number that I've just written, the decimal point is absent. These are commas. Okay, since the decimal point is absent, we are not going to start at the left. We're going to start at the right with our count. Okay, and we're going to just skip all of these zeros. We're going to start counting at the first non-zero number that we reach. So there, the 5 is the first non-zero number going from right to left. So 1, 2, 3. 3 significant digits. And there I have recorded the number of significant digits for each of those. Let's try a few more. All right, here are 2 more numbers. On the left, once again, we have a decimal point that is present. Therefore, we're going to start counting from the left. We're going to begin counting when we reach a non-zero number. So there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant digits. Yes, some of them were zeros, but once we hit our first non-zero number, we keep counting until the end. Okay, from left to right if the decimal point is present, just like the Pacific is on the left side of North and South America. All right, our next number here, 1049, has no decimal point. The decimal point is absent. Nothing there. So we're going to start counting from the right, just like the Atlantic Ocean is on the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant digits. Okay? Yes, there was a 0 in there, but once we start counting from the left or from the right, we count everything. So hopefully that will help you remember. It's not the reason numbers are significant, but it's a good way to remember which ones are. See the videos and other materials to find out more about significant digits. Check out Blackboard. Lots of good stuff there.